The dairy industry is one of the significant industries facing challenges of modernization of the traditional industries. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central steps in to simplify the entire process from start to finish. This solution helps in keeping track of temperatures, ensuring products don't spoil during production. It also manages labeling, pasteurization, packaging, and storing of goods, making everything smoother for dairy businesses. In our last video, we explored the procurement and inspection procedures. In today's video, we'll delve into the production process, focusing on the transformation of inspected milk into the final product. Once we get the milk, we start the production process. First, we look at a production bill of materials, BOM, basically, a list of what we need to make a specific dairy product. For instance, making yogurt requires certain amounts of different ingredients. Now, we move to work centers and machine centers. Work centers are like our workstations where we make things. We've opened a work center for milk pasteurization. We can also figure out the cost of running these work centers. For this work center, we also need to know the machines involved. Take the example of an ECO cream machine used for milk pasteurization. We define its cost, setup time, wait time, and move time. Next, there's something called routing. It's like a plan for the production process, specifying which work centers and machines will be used. Now, let's talk about releasing a production order. This is like officially starting the production process. We specify what item we're making, the quantity, due dates, and other details. We also define posting groups, helping us track costs. Once the production is done, we look at the production order. For example, making 10,000 liters of full cream milk. We check the entries to see how much we used and what it cost us. We also look at the costings of our work centers and machine centers. Capacity ledger entries show the machines and work centers used, any direct or overhead costs, and value entries help us see adjustments made. In the end, we check for any variances, differences between what we expected and what actually happened. These details help us understand the true cost of making our dairy products. That concludes our overview of the production process. In our next video, we'll be delving into the sales and dispatch procedures. Stay tuned for the upcoming video to learn more about these essential aspects.